Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can open notification panel by swiping in the home screen itself. If you swipe in the home screen area, notification panel will open. For that, you have to do some changes in your phone. What you have to do is just go to the settings, then go to home screen. Then you go to turn on this button, swipe down for notification panel, just turn on, and now swipe down in the home screen, anywhere in the home screen. This is home screen. In this area, just swipe down and notification panel will open. Yes, it is opened. Okay, you don't need to go to the notification panel area here. Just anywhere swipe like this, anywhere in the home screen, just swipe and notification panel will open. So it will be very useful for you when you want to open notification quickly. If you want to disable it, go to the settings again and click on home screen and turn off that button. Swipe down for notification panel. Now if you swipe down anywhere in the home screen, notification panel will not open. Okay, so in this way you can easily open notification panel in the home screen itself. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.